Nestor, the answer there is the main driver for the expanded hours ng Double Visa News TV was the success of Double Visa News TV. Sinubukan muna namin ng 5 oras kada araw, na Monday hanggang Friday, as I said. And then, ang management was very pleased with the performance nila. Both in terms of ratings and audience share, and in terms of revenue. Kaya one day na lang, bigla, Tony Coson and I were having a discussion. Tapos sabi niya, tuloy na namin yung... Kasi dati ang gusto nito si Tony Coson. Kaya lang, there were factors that we have to consider na hindi madali mag-reprogram o mag-extend o mag-expand. Then finally, one day sabi niya Tony Coson, ituloy na yan. So, kaya niyo pwede implement yan. So, nagplano sila, sina Mr. Canaliona, Gloria de Flor, si Direk Pai, si Roman Serra, si Ramel de la Cruz, mga producers, mga bossing. And this is the result of our plans. And like I told you, this early, after in-expand na o in-extend ang broadcast ng Double Visa News TV, meron na kami mga preparations for even more offerings. And I'm sure one of you will want to ask, does that mean also more hours pa sa future? Who knows? We still have, we're only on Double Visa News TV 6 hours a day. There are 24 hours in a day. So, we will leave it as it is muna kung nasan ang station na.
So it is likely na lalagpas na kayo sa last 12 magiging
the same answer doon sa extended hours. All yan ang management. If they tell us to do it, we will execute. Right now, there is no such plan. Yes, but we already made it known to them that we have preparations. So anytime we are told to go, pag sinabi, go na kayo, go na kami. Pag walang sinabi, walang go.
Ano ang kailangan maging preparasyon para i-set up ang ganitong, in terms of infrastructure?
There are two aspects. This is the infrastructure, as you said, yung hardware and yung tao. Yung hardware, nandyan na. Yung equipment, nandyan na. Kasi, on-air na kami ngayon eh. Walang pagbabago. Mas gamit nga lang yung equipment pag tumamay yung oras. Ang susi rito, hindi yung equipment, yung tao. Yan yung mga nasa harap ninyo ngayon. Imagine, the management approved for us to organize this MediaCon for these people. That was a very strong indication of your confidence in the men and women of Double P. Hindi lang yung mga nasa harap, pati yung mga nagtut sa programs. Yes. Tao restaurant sa sagot namin.
Salamat and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
It's nice to see your face.
Thank you, sir. Total dapat nag-survive ang revenue. Isa po sa susi na pumagin po kami kahit paano ay hindi magandang performance sa revenue. Yung pong tao po yung nasa likod, si RJ